Our last video of the year, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope they help you get through these assignments. So our last topic here is a sequence, more specifically an arithmetic sequence. That just means a sequence where it's increasing or decreasing by a common number, which we call the common difference. Like for instance, these are going up by 2. Keep adding 2 to get across the sequence. That is an arithmetic sequence. So for this one, looks like we're adding 3. So that one is also an arithmetic sequence. I'll tell you about these tables in a few minutes. First thing will be on the assignment, it's yes or no. You determine if it's an arithmetic sequence. So you just look. So from 1 to 5, you go up 4. My pen's not working there. Same here, up 4, up 4. I have to write small there. And same, see how we're adding 4 all the way across? So it's a yes. That's an arithmetic sequence. Now here, maybe I'll have more room above it. Going down 4, down 4, down 4, down 4. So yes, that one is also an arithmetic sequence. But we don't have to explain. The explain part is really just in the definition. It's increasing or decreasing by the same amount. Now this one you can see there's a difference of 2, difference of 6. Already that is not an arithmetic sequence. This is actually another top definition here. It's called a geometric sequence. What's really happening on that one is we're multiplying by 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So they're a little different. Now the next section in the assignment, you'll have to fill in the next 3 numbers in the sequence. So think, if it's going up by 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, you just want to add 4, continuing to add 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29, plus 4 more is 33, plus 4 more is 37. So this is the same one as above. And if we're subtracting 4, just keep subtracting 4. Negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16, then negative 20, negative 24. So you first have to see what the pattern is doing. Looks like we are adding 6. So just keep adding 6. 53 plus 6 is 59, plus 6 is 65. Okay, but we do a little more here in 8th grade. We have to know how to write an equation for the sequence. And what if I ask you, what's the 15th term? Well, instead of writing it out, we can use the equation. What if that said, what is the 115th term? So we have to have a method. That's what these tables are for. So first, this 1357 that you see here is the example from up here. See? So I made a table. What I did was, I took the numbers I was given the sequence, and I numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, because it was the first, second, third, and fourth numbers. And in this pattern, we were adding 2. Okay? So again, that's the same problem as we see down here in number 7. I'm going to zoom out, actually, so we can see that. That's my slope. 2. Whatever the pattern is doing is your slope. Now the y-intercept, if you remember, we need this to be a 0. So if I'm adding 2 going to the right, I'll subtract 2 going to the left. And 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So negative 1 is my y-intercept. Okay? So once I have them, I can write the equation. I'm just going to get a little more space here. So I write y equals 2x minus 1. And they want the 15th term, so I'll just put 15 in for x. 2 times 15 minus 1. Okay, 2 times 15 is 30. Minus 1 is 29. Okay, so let's try a couple more. Make sure we're clear on this for the assignment. So let's see. This one was also used, I believe. Oh, no, this might be a new one. So, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So that's what the pattern is doing. That's my slope, m. Negative 3. Now think, if it's going minus 3 in this direction, we will do plus 3 in that direction. So negative 1 plus 3 is 2. That's my y-intercept. Y equals negative 3x plus 2. And again, I put 15 in for x. Negative 45, that's that multiplication right there, plus 2 is negative 43. What that means is, if I continued this, that's the 4th term. If I continued that to the 15th term, the number sitting there would be negative 43. Same on this one. That's the 4th number. If I kept that going to the 15th number, it would be a 29. Okay, see if you can figure this one out. We'll answer that. I'll just briefly show you the assignment. And that's what we have to do today. Well, it looks like we're going minus 5. That's my slope. So it's minus 5 going to the right. It's plus 5 going to the left. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. So that's my y-intercept. Here's my equation. Y equals negative 5x plus 1. Put 15 in for x. And do the math. Negative 5 times 15, negative 75. Negative 75 plus 1 is negative 74. That would be the 15th number if I kept going. All right, so the assignment is basically what we just did. And it looks like yes or no. Is that an arithmetic sequence? Give the next 3 numbers. Then what I was just showing you, what's the slope? What's the y-intercept? Write the equation on the top line. Show the work here, meaning put the 15 in. Give me the answer there. And there are 2 word problems that follow the same pattern. Go to write an equation. Now, I don't think you'll put in 15, you'll put in 30, and you'll put in 10 for x and get the answer. As always, if you need any help, let me know.